Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to update your bathroom with 5 crazy easy tips, and you can do it all in just one day. Okay, so Joe went away fishing for 24 hours, and you know, every time Joe's away, Cass has got to play with paint. Sorry, Joe, but he went away, so I gave a quick makeover to the bathroom, and I had to hurry to get it done before he came home. So when you're updating a space, it's all about the focal point. So tip number 1 is to have a focal point. I really recommend having a painting or a shower curtain, and I found this great painting for $30. You heard that right, $30. There's like some slight damage on the side, but you can't really tell, and it just transformed the space. So I tried just hanging it on the wall, and it kind of looked bad with the poop brown walls. So that comes to tip number 2, which is paint. So many people are reluctant to just paint a space. They overthink it. They think it's going to be more money or more time, but paint is such an inexpensive and fast way to transform any space. I painted this entire bathroom in under 2 hours. 2 hours! It's so much brighter and fresher and cleaner. You totally need to paint your bathroom. My third tip adds a crazy pop of color to your bathroom on a shoestring budget, and that is having some hotel chic towel stuff going on. It's so easy to add color with towels, and I really recommend getting 3 towels, 2 bath towels and 1 hand towel in different colors, and layering them. You start with a bath towel at the bottom, fold in the edges and fold it over your towel bar, and then your next bath towel, you want to fold it slightly smaller so you can still see the other color underneath, and finish off with the hand towel, again folded a slightly smaller. It looks fabulous. And add a little hand towel on top of your countertop so your kids don't actually touch your beautiful hotel towel. They're for looks. They're for looks. Have a hand towel beside your sink and no one will mess with your gorgeous hotel towels. My next tip, of course, is baskets, but you can organize your bathroom with 1 trip to the dollar store, 1 pretty basket, roll some towels, or add all the stuff that's on your counter into the basket to make your space look clean and fresh and organized. I also added to my basket a DIY bathroom spray in a really discreet bottle, just adding rubbing alcohol and a few drops of my favorite essential oil. This basket is practical and pretty, which is why I love it for updating a bathroom. My last tip is to add a few accessories. I relocated this orchid into this space, and I DIY'd a brand new soap dispenser using an old vintage mason jar. This was my grandma's mason jar. You just have to tap a hole in the lid. I'm just using a screwdriver and a hammer. Make the hole a little bigger with a pair of scissors and pop in any soap dispenser top. I'm just using one that I already had. Look how freaking fab this soap dispenser looks. This cost me nothing, and you can make one too. So go! What are you waiting for? Find a new picture or shower curtain. Throw a fresh coat of paint on your walls. Don't forget the hotel towels, a few accessories, and you're gonna have a fab bathroom in one day on a shoestring budget. We'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I get asked this question all the time, like, what do I do with the old accessories? You can see I switched out a painting in this video. It's not that I didn't like the painting that was in there. I just was tired of it and I needed a change. So I do this a lot. This is why I have to do it while Joe's gone, because I buy new throw pillows or new paintings or accessories, and the old ones go to the Harry Potter closet to die. I just like store them in there until, no word of a lie, it is so full that I can't even walk in there, and then I give everything to Goodwill. It's a ridiculous thing. I need to come up with a difference. I may have a problem. I have a problem. I also have like 0 storage in this space. So yeah, I buy new accessories, and if you're wondering where the old ones go, they get shoved in the Harry Potter closet, and then eventually they get donated. It's like a cycle. It's like the cycle of crazy over here in this house. Poor Joe. He's probably never going to leave the house again, because he'll come home to like all new bedroom furniture. Sorry, Joe. I'll see you next time.